Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Fishing Tackle channel. Just wanted to do a unboxing for you guys from a giveaway that I won recently from Fishing Grub, one of the channel that I subscribe. If you guys never heard of it, check out my description. I have a link for him. He does a giveaway and he makes really good video. I think one of the better videos on YouTube. Anyways, watching his live video. I follow him and he was doing a giveaway and I was like, how do you enter? And somehow I won the next day. So it was a bit surprised. I don't do giveaway. I don't enter on giveaways and things like that. I have plenty of stuff, but it's good to receive something for free. So yeah, these are some of the stuff I got. This is the 13 fishing. I have their reels and they're pretty good stuff, and these are all mostly bass fishing, but you know, I'm happy with it. I've done bass fishing in local lake. I live in the west coast, so I mean east coast, so there's a lot of lakes and reservoir where I could use this for fishing with especially with my kids locally. But some of them I'll definitely use it for inshore. If it's not too windy, these medium diving crankbaits could definitely work for inshore fishing, pier fishing. If you haven't done it, it's kind of fun to do it. Again, I like to use various fishing lure rather than using what's offered, just because it's all about techniques and trying things out. I mean, even if the label says it's for freshwater fishing, it's not like the company makes an agreement with a bunch of random fish and say, hey, you guys, this is what you're gonna eat when somebody throws at you, right? The fish will bite anything that looks like using instinct, right? They're gonna bite and feed on it. So freshwater, it's great. It's made for freshwater. It'll rust if you use salt water, but you know, again, you could use these and just wash it off with fresh water and it'll be fine. So I go saltwater fishing most of the time on a boat, and I'll definitely use these. This hook is definitely perfect for putting on some jerk shad or even for flounder fishing, so I'll use that. These are bass fishing, so I'll mainly use this for black. I'll hold on to it. It's a cool bait that I'll use later. This is another cool one. I know Yozuri. I have their lure for squid fishing, and I do use their line. Their braid lines are pretty good too. They're a Japanese brand that's well known. So yeah, I'll definitely use these guys. Here's some soft baits. Again, these are geared towards freshwater, but this is definitely I'm gonna use this when you guys check out my video for my next fishing trip on a deep sea headboat party boat fishing, or I'm gonna use this and I'll show you whether or not if I catch anything. Most likely I'll definitely get black sea bass with this, so I'll show you that it's pretty easy to use any kind of lure, right? Sometimes freshwater lures are much cheaper than saltwater. I don't know why. So again, as a fisherman, it's enjoying trying different things and seeing what works and what doesn't, right? It's all about presentation and using the right color, right sizes, and right depth. You know, there's many variations that you could use for fishing, and using these, I'm glad I got these. I wouldn't pay for it, to be honest, but if I get it from one of those mystery tackle boxes and things like that, I'll definitely take him and use it. Because again, you know, you learn things. This fishing is a lot about learning and establishing your own technique, and you know, other people may follow or not, but it's just fun doing it, and my daughter will probably learn from it. And hopefully, if you guys see this channel, you guys are not limited to what's offered to you on a boat or by a charter captain or mates or a local tackle shop. It's great for beginners, I think, where you really want to catch fish to take home and eat, then yeah, listen to the captain. Well, they'll tell you, they'll get you on fish. But if you're just doing this for hobby and trying different things, different new techniques to fish, you should definitely try different baits and different colors and just buy them and make this a hobby. Don't make this a labor to catch fish just so you can bring it home. I've caught a lot of fish and I've caught skunks sometimes, and you can't help it. Sometimes you catch, sometimes you don't. That's the fun of fishing. Just like any hobbies, right? So these are pretty good color baits, and yeah, I'll definitely use at least one of them, one each, to show you that this will work, and hopefully I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.
Bye.